Welcome back, folks. In today's video, we're diving into a common tech headache, a laptop stuck on the hibernating screen. We'll explore the reasons behind this issue, and more importantly, how to fix it. Stay tuned for quick and effective solutions to get your laptop up and running in no time. I will show 4 solutions in this tutorial. Search Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Click on Change Plan Setting. Click on Restore Default Settings for this plan. Click on Yes. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy the command from video description and paste here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Moving forward. When the process 100% and complete, then close the command prompt. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Right-click on Windows Start. Open Device Manager. Expand Adapter. Right-click on your driver. Click on Properties. Click on Power Management. Make sure that check mark here. Click on OK. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search Troubleshoot Power. Open the Troubleshoot Power. Click on Next. Moving forward. Click on Close. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please like, comment, and subscribe.